A, B, C, D alphabet. Write A, B, C, D. A for apple, B for ball. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for beer. C for cat, C for cow. D for drum, D for doll. E for elephant, E for egg. F for fish, F for flower. G for gorilla, G for grass. H for horse, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for iguana. J for juice, J for joker. K for kangaroo, K for kite. L for lion, L for lemon. M for mango, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nurse. O for orange, O for octopus. P for parrot, P for peanut. Q for queen, Q for quilt. R for rose, R for rabbit. S for swan, S for snail. T for tomato, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for uniform. V for violin, V for volcano. W for watch, W for wolf. X for xylophone, X for X-mystery. Y for yacht, Y for yarn. Z for Zeph, Z for zebra.